In today's fast-evolving digital world, understanding how to make your brand truly visible can feel like navigating a complex maze. That's why in this video, I'm going to dive into the powerful intersection of strategic digital PR, search engine optimization, or SEO, and the emerging landscape of artificial intelligence, or AI. For many years, public relations has been about getting your brand noticed. But in the digital age, it's become intrinsically linked with SEO. Why is this? Because earning high authority backlinks through strategic digital PR is one of the most effective ways to boost your website's ranking in Google search. Google sees these links from reputable sites as strong endorsements, a vote of confidence and authority for your content. And over time, this pays off by moving your online presence towards those coveted top spots in search results. So how do you earn these valuable backlinks? Well, there are several really effective ways to do this. First, consider broken backlink replacement. This often overlooked method involves finding high authority websites in your niche with broken links, links that lead to a 404 error page, which means that that page is being indexed by Google but no longer exists. By identifying these broken links to an editor or webmaster of a media outlet and suggesting your relevant content as a replacement, you offer a win-win. The outlet fixes a bad link, improving their user experience, and you gain a high-quality, relevant backlink. There are very specific ways to do this, which I won't go into in this video, but I'm happy to talk to you about if you'd like to reach out to me and discuss. Now, another effective strategy is getting your product or area of expertise featured in Roundup stories. And Roundup stories are articles that compile various products, services, or expert opinions around a specific topic or theme. To get featured, I would identify relevant websites that publish these roundups and craft a concise and compelling pitch to the editor or writer, highlighting how your product or service fits their topic or theme. This provides excellent exposure, targeted traffic, and that all-important backlink. And finally, don't underestimate the power of a PR specialist pitching op-eds and bylines to editors directly. This involves leveraging your expertise to contribute opinion pieces or in-depth articles to top industry publications. Often these articles include a short bio with a link back to your website. This not only earns you a valuable backlink from a high authority source, but also positions you as a thought leader in your industry. Now, to truly maximize your impact, consider adopting a blue ocean strategy. In today's often saturated digital landscape where we have red oceans of intense competitions where the water is bloodied by sharks feeding, a blue ocean strategy focuses on creating uncontested market spaces where competition becomes irrelevant. Instead of battling for the same keywords and audiences as your competitors, you focus on expanding boundaries and tapping into new demand. At the heart of this approach is the 4 actions framework. Ask yourself, what can you eliminate that your industry takes for granted? What factors can you reduce that are below industry standards? What features and benefits can you raise well above your competitors? And crucially, what entirely new functional, emotional, and self-expressive benefits can you create that your competitors don't offer? By strategically applying this framework to your digital PR efforts, you can create unique and valuable offerings that are more likely to attract attention and those coveted backlinks. As we navigate the digital media landscape, it's also crucial to understand the emerging role of artificial intelligence. While digital PR is heavily focused on improving search engine rankings, it's important to note that currently there is absolutely no way to determine brand placement or brand awareness within AI models in the same way we think of search. This has to do with the way AI correlates information using large language models and chain of thought processing, which is beyond the scope of this video, but I'll be doing another video on the way AI works and its benefits in the future. And I'll talk about the downsides for brand marketing and the upsides. It's important to note that AI models like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini aren't search engines. They engage in conversations and make recommendations based on complex algorithms. And they work on discrete large language models training, which means that the same query in ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, and Claude will return completely different results. Therefore, while the unique and high-quality content that you create through a strategic digital PR approach contributes to the large language model training that AI models draw upon, Your primary measurable goal remains the acquisition of high authority backlinks to improve your SEO. Focus on creating valuable content that journalists want to link to, and understand that this, in turn, enhances your website's authority and visibility in search results. Embrace a visibility PR strategy rather than a static PR strategy, proactively offering expert insights and commentary to become a trusted source for journalists, further boosting your backlink profile and SEO. So in conclusion, a strategic approach to digital PR, especially when coupled with the principles of a blue ocean strategy and the 4 actions framework, remains a powerful tool for building your brand's authority and improving your search engine rankings through the acquisition of valuable backlinks. While the world of AI presents new challenges and considerations, your focus on creating high-quality, differentiated content and earning those crucial backlinks will continue to be a cornerstone of your digital success. Thanks for your time, and if you found this video interesting, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I'll know to create more content like this in the future. And if you'd like to discuss how digital PR, SEO, and a blue ocean strategy can help your brand or company stand out, please feel free to reach out to me via email and let's talk. Thanks for watching.